is off the hook. Bafana confessed to killing Mpumi by mistake and detailed everything that happened at the hotel. After Detective Wezu found Mpumi's phone at his house, Mtunza and Dala did a good job in helping find this evidence. Dintle relapsed because of Nhloso, and Mutabi is worried about her. It seems like Poet's dad is coming to the picture. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Mtunzi went to Sintu Tugo, trying to convince him to give the police his password so that they can find evidence that can prove that he is innocent. Tutugo was skeptical at first, saying that he doesn't want to throw anyone under the bus, Abanganbake and everyone else that was there. But Mtunzi is like, hey, Wana, this is about you. This is about proving you're innocent. So you better give them that password, because we believe that Umafana is he was there at the Level Up Apartments, and he is Bumi's boyfriend. Well, he was Bumi's boyfriend, and we saw him on the CCTV footage. Tutu was like, but Bafana was not there, but to be corn and Jokon CCTV footage, and it means that he saw you and Bumi together and was jealous about it. Tutu is now putting 1 and 2 together with how, so it means Bafana is the guy that Bumi was crying about. And then Tutu gave the police the password and they spoke to him, and they got more pictures proving that Bafana was actually at the party. There's pictures of Tutugo dancing with Mpumi, Bafana seen at the background. So clearly he was jealous and did something to Mpumi. Now the detective asked for a warrant ukuthi I search indawo kaBafana, because Mpumi's phone is nowhere to be found. And in the pictures it shows ukuthi Mpumi had her phone this whole time. So who took the phone? Because this staff would have seen it and the boys don't know where it is. Now Mtunzi wants to know, are you going to let Ubototo and Tutugo go? But not yet, because we don't have evidence yet. We just need to go search and see if we can get his phone, Bumi's phone there. Now Detective is posting Utiro. Does this mean Utiro is a wanted man? Does this mean Utiro is coming back because he ran away to some foreign country? Now, Mtunzi is coming to check. Have you gotten the search warrant to go search Bafana's place? What are you doing? What's happening? Detective was like, you know what, Maiza, you need to step away because you're not part of this case. And also, we got Bumi's phone in Bafana's house. I just brought him in for interrogation. What's manja wayanga boshwanga? But I want to interrogate him because you're wasting my time because you're here now. I needed to talk to you. I will go speak to him. Maybe I can get a confession. When I have something, I'll come and update you, no Miss Lom. Kanjan, because Miss Lom doesn't know. You must just update Mtunzi. Mtunzi is excited and informs Mdala to update him. Go say Ubafana has been brought in for questioning. And then Detective Wezi goes to question Ubafana and tries to soften him up, saying, if you can tell me the truth, maybe I can help you. If you can prove, whatever happened, maybe it was not intentional. Ngaksiza. Ati, did you kill Abizati? No, I didn't come to the police because I was scared. But why did you lie about being at Level Up Apartments? Because you were there. But you kept saying you were not there. Atumpulu Mshonile. Then he started saying, you're scared that you killed Umpumi. Ati, I never meant for any of this. Umpumi is dead because of me. Apparently Bafana saw pictures social media Mpumi posting on Tutugo no Pototo and got jealous, followed Mpumi to Level Cafe and saw them drinking up to go to Level Up Apartments for the after party that ended up in Mpumi being dead, and followed them to Level Up Apartments. Didn't go in right away apparently, and waited, saw everyone leaving, thinking Mpumi uzohamba Apome, because he's been begging Mpumi to come home, but Mpumi ngafuni, because apparently they had a fight that night. Now, after everyone left, Ubafana went inside that hotel room 401, wherever they were, in that room, Tutugo no Mpumi and all of them, and begged Mpumi to come home with him. But Mpumi refused, saying Ubafana must get lost. But how? Are you with Untutugo now? What's going on? Mpumi, it's none of your business. Making Ubafana jealous again. Ubafana tried to pull Mpumi to go ukuthi abahambe baye ekhaya. Mpumi resisted and said, leave me alone. Kanti uzophunyuka ashaya itafula, hit the table and fell on the floor. So Mpumi hit her head on the table and fell. Yes, it was a mistake. Yes, Ubafana did not mean to hurt Mpumi. She was just trying to pull her ukuthi bahambe, and Mpumi was drunk. And then Mpumi fell, tried to resuscitate Mpumi. Mpumi did not wake up. And then decided to pick up Mpumi and put her next to Tutugo and make it look like Ubelele. And then wavuke ngaseko. because that's what they could not make out. So this explains why she had an injury on the head, or the gunga on the head that the police were talking about, and the boys knew nothing about it. Kanti this is all Bafana framing Otutu. I knew he was framing them. I knew he was involved somehow. And then Odintle speaks to Kanye, humbled herself, apologized for saying she must lie about also being away, and said that Kanye is a world and doesn't want her to do that again because she gave her a fright. Now Umtayo is worried about it, saying, I heard that now you are drinking. I don't want you to go back to the old ways of you drinking and being an addict, some drugs. Please, man, Dintle is now feeling sad. So a whole man has led her to go back to drinking because of a heartbreak, a failed marriage. Shame, poor Dintle, hey? I hope she does not relapse. Now, Matubel over here Boko saying that he got a DM from a man called Bongani Chauke, something like that, to asking for her mother's contact numbers. Kuku, the way Kuku naturally you can just say this is linked to poet Likidibon. It's like I think Papa poet, because he had to go back poet not to tell Kiribon about it, because Kiribon is now with Ephraim. So other men should not be contacting her. But poet is like, no man, maybe it's not a big deal. Maybe it's nothing. When you know how dangerous social media is, please do not tell your mom. My bet is keep up a poet, and Mama Kidwin does not want him coming back to Poet's life, because apparently Papa Poet Ushile Poet, he Ugari or something like that. He was never in Poet's life, so probably now he wants to come back, and Kuku doesn't want that to happen. Yo, drama. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.